Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on profile views on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on digital nice here. Now click settings and privacy, and here click privacy. Now here you will find profile views, click on it, and here just click like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on profile view history on your accounts on TikTok, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.